Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather here to discuss a topic that holds immense power and can transform our lives in unimaginable ways. We are here to delve into the realm of inspirational speeches and the astonishing power of positive thinking. Positive thinking, my friends, is not just a mere concept or a fleeting notion. It is a force that has the potential to shape our lives for the better. When we truly understand the power of our thoughts and harness them in a positive way, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Have you ever witnessed someone who radiates positivity in every step they take? Their aura is captivating, their smile contagious, and their energy contagious. These people understand the secret that lies within the realm of positive thinking. They know that when we fill our minds with hopeful thoughts, we attract positivity into our lives. When we think positively, we create a mindset that believes in possibilities and opportunities. Our dreams become within reach as we adopt a can-do attitude and embrace challenges as stepping stones towards success. We become resilient, picking ourselves up after each fall, for we know that failure is merely a detour on the road to achievement. Furthermore, the power of positive thinking extends beyond our own lives. When we radiate positivity, we have the ability to inspire and uplift others. Our words, our actions, and our demeanor can change the trajectory of someone else's day and ignite a spark of hope within them. It is through inspirational speeches that we unlock the true potential of positive thinking. These speeches are not mere words. They are catalysts for transformation. They remind us of our inner strength and the limitless possibilities that lie within us. So, my friends, let us embrace the power of positive thinking. Let us mold our minds into magnets for success, and let our thoughts manifest into reality through inspirational speeches and the unwavering belief in the power of positive thinking. We can create a world filled with hope, resilience, and boundless opportunities. In every step we take towards positivity, we take a step towards a brighter future.